Hey y'all, in today's video I was at the 2024 Goodguys Columbus event and I came across a very cool 1965 C10 pickup I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out real quick.
This one's clean. Just really clean. The interior's clean, the bed choice is clean. It's white with just enough black accents on it. Lays on the ground. Just a cool truck. And I talked to the gentleman that owned it, and I had shot a C10 of his up in Indiana when I was doing those shows up there around the Auburn area. He had a really nice red and black C10, I remembered. So, again, he killed it. It's got that stormtrooper look to it. But I don't have any real information on it. The thing that really cued me into it was it having this LT1 in it. And that he left the stock cover from the Corvette, so when you looked at the truck up under the hood, it gave it a really cool look. I mean, it was like, I don't know, hey, it just gave it an exotic look, knowing that was the Corvette motor had such a distinct look about it. And the interior, man, whoever did that, again, very clean. I like how smooth it is. You know, it's not a real grainy leather. Right color choice. Could have went black, and now that throwing that brown in there is a really nice breakup. And I dig the wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but it's beautiful. Hey, you could get in and drive this one anywhere you want to go. I think it's got a Tremec in it. I like the gauges because they're new, but they still have that classic truck look about them. Now I wouldn't change anything on this one. I think they nailed it. And you can hit the button, raise it up, and you can drive it anywhere you want to go. But it does sit low. When it's resting, it's right on the ground. Yeah, I thought it was cool. 2024 Goodguys Columbus event. Always a good show. A lot of cool shows up. And there's a lot of awards given away. So I don't know exactly what section this was in. Trucks, late, early, one of the two. You know me, all I know is cool. I don't keep up with all the details. But yeah, I spotted it. Wanted to check it out. Once I saw up under the hood, I knew I had to shoot it. And then the gentleman that owned it, Chad Myers, he came up. He was like, hey, you shot a truck of mine before. And just like 2 hours before that, I'd seen a red and black C10, and I didn't remember. I was like, have I shot this truck or not? And then this dude showed up. I don't know if it was the same truck or not, but a quinky dink. So there you go, from the 2024 Columbus Goodguys, a very cool 1965 C10 pickup truck. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.